No matter what business you're in, your business needs a digital presence. So, if your business needs digital skills training, we can help you and your team get trained online easily and cost-effectively. WPMasterclasses.com provides 24/7 access online to over 50 video courses covering everything you need to know about WordPress and digital skills to help you learn how to manage your website more effectively. We provide dozens of video courses and over 1,600 video tutorials covering essential digital skills that will help you manage and grow your business online. Most business websites run on WordPress. Our video courses will help you learn how to use your WordPress site. Our video courses are designed specifically for non-techies. Most video lessons include links to detailed step-by-step screenshot tutorials if you need additional help with any of the lessons. Our All Access Pass membership lets you access all courses for a low monthly subscription. With WPMasterclasses.com, you can learn at your own pace, in your own time, anywhere online. So, visit WPMasterclasses.com and learn a new digital skill today.